Hey everyone, welcome back. Is PUBG Mobile lagging every time enemies appear or showing a red high ping number in the corner of your screen? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then, turn it back off. This fully resets your network connection and often clears a lag spike caused by a stale routing patch. Next, in the settings, go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a 5G SZ network if your router supports it. Since 5G SZ has far less interference than 2.4 and directly lowers your ping, close every other app running in your recent apps before playing, since background apps compete for bandwidth and processing power. Avoid charging your phone while playing, since charging causes heat buildup that leads to thermal throttling and lag spikes in close fights. If lag proceeds specifically on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data instead or vice versa to isolate whether your specific network is the cause. So all you've got to do is airplane mode reset, switch to 5Z set Wi-Fi, close background apps, and avoid charging while playing. Ping drops and lag clears, and that's it. Subscribe.